Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to change your Duolingo profile picture. So we're going to open our Duolingo app, and right here at the bottom you can see some options here. You're just going to go ahead with the face icon which represent your profile. Now it's important to note that Duolingo has actually removed the ability to upload personal profile pictures. But right now Duolingo only sets avatars for your profile display picture. So in order to do that, you just need to go over here where you have the plus icon, tap on it, and here you have the suit to design your avatar. You could change the skin tone, you could change the body type, to the face, to the hair, to the glasses, and all these features will aid you in creating your own avatar. After that has been created, you will now have your profile avatar, also a profile picture. So we're going to go ahead and make an avatar. So now that we have an avatar, all we need to do is to click on Done, and what we have as our profile picture or our avatar is now set. You could go ahead and make some other customizations, but this is how to change your Duolingo profile picture.